Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to draw SOLIDWORKS tutorials for this mechanical parts. Okay, this is for the beginners levels, and then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will continue to upload with SOLIDWORKS tutorials and other AutoCAD drawing tutorials and advanced SOLIDWORKS tutorials and embedded software. Okay, to continue to draw the drawings, you will need these dimension drawings. I am provided in the description list. Okay, so those are my drawings and choose here SOLIDWORKS 2070 versions and then choose create new but okay. Now you will see the workspace there. Before we start the drawing, check the universe MMGS here for the mechanicals. Okay, so to choose the plane, top, sketch. Okay, let's start the drawing here. We need to draw first the base plate. So we need to draw rectangle for the base plate is 60 width and 100 millimeter wide. Okay, choose here center rectangle for clicks the center. A little bit moved. Choose put the dimensions to on it 60 millimeter wide and then 100 millimeter. Okay, now we need to make a thickness Extrude thickness is 10. So choose feature Extrude Boss page. I already filled the 10 millimeter. Click OK. Now you get it. And then next is the fillet, 4 fillet rounded or the corners. So the value is 50. So I have to put the fillets there. Choose there, feature tab, the fillet is bidden. Fillets here. Choose the constant size fillets. Okay. Now here you use if you want to see a symmetric, you need to change the symmetric because this symmetric fillets. Okay, please enter the fillets value is 15 here. A note, yes, 15. Enter. Okay, click the item, the corner edge, rotates the squeeze using the squeeze clicks, nice corner edge, and then click squeeze click to rotate the view. Okay, and that okay. Now you get the 4 fillets. Okay, make a whole sketch that plane, and then Control 8 number key to normal to the surface. Okay, so this need to 4 holes. The diameter value is 14. Okay, center width there and there. Then put dimension on its 1/4. Enter. That also 1/4. Enter. And then the 2 distance is 30. Enter. Right click slats. Okay, choose the center line to connect to side gap because we need to put dimension on this on the line. Okay, smart there, and there is 1/5. Yeah, and then that one from that one is also 1/5 according to the drawing. Right click select to clear the comment. So you can see the plus sketch is okay. Fifth dimension or complete dimension, that means the plus sketch is means the complete dimension. So choose the feature cat, Extrude Cut to surface rotation, click scoey on that point. Okay, now you finish the 2 holes, and then we make this 2 holes to that side. We can use the sketch method. We use the mirrors to mirrors that to side. This is the easy method. Choose mirror there. Here, the mirror face plane here. Click. You need to fill plane. Careful the plane to the perpendicular plane. This is the right plane. Yes, planes. And now already slash Okay, if you cannot select here, choose slash from the Extrude, previous Extrude base. Okay, hit OK. Yeah, very easily. It's okay. So next is need to draw the hat. So the hat is 24 2 cycle. Okay, I will show you. Sketch the plane on it. Sketch Control plus H number 2. Using sketch here, the 2 cycle. Yeah, and then connect 2 cycle on it here. Then using line here. Yeah. Okay. Now the 2 cycle should be the equal diameter. Okay. So put the little bit relationship. Relationship is also essential in the SolidWorks drawing. It's very useful methods here. Okay, I will show you explain step by step. And then click that once, and then use hold control key, and then click that one also. And then use properties tab auto ons, and then should here the add relationship to equal. So that means the two value of the diameter is equal. Okay, yeah. Now here, okay, I will show you what here. This is 24. Enter. Okay, that one also 24. Okay, I click select. Okay, so 24 is okay. Now we make this line should be there horizontal line. Okay, and then click on that line, and then also automatically make horizontal. Yeah, now it's okay. That one is okay. So we need to plus sketch here. So we need to put little bit dimension. Okay, now here center lines, that middle of the line in connects the origin slats should be the particle. Okay, that means if cannot move here. Okay, so then another here, that line and that line should be the 0. That means the middle of the joints here. Okay, now very easy. Oh, so we need to put the length is 20 here. That length is 20. Enter. Okay, now. Okay, now the sketch is okay. So we need trim entity here to trim the unnecessary line. Click, 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 click. Okay, now okay, now we check. We need to make the middle of the half here. So this is or this is 2 cycle and connected line. So SolidWorks this is a very fast useful. This here you can also put in the slot, straight slot here. Straight slot icons. Choose the straight slot here. Click the plane that you want to sketch here. Okay, so Control 8, and then here the clicks, and then a little bit wide here to make the slot. Okay, now slats. So put dimension on is that one is 20 according to the joints, and then the diameter is that one the width is 24 and tapped right click slats. So to make that one from that one that center point should be a little bit click draft on the middle of the UCS. Okay. Now face sketch. Okay. Okay, now blue sketch is okay. Yeah. So we need to make here T-shirts Extrude Boss weights. Yeah. Sure the thickness is 22. Okay. Fill here 22 glitz bits. Okay. Now we make the hole here diameter 16 on it. Okay. Now sketch again. Sketch on it. Control H on it. Yes. Using slots. Here. Glitz. Put dimension that one to that one is 16. Enter. Okay, you can see the not the rounded face. You can use adjust the option there. Performance. Go to image quality. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, rounded surface. Okay. So the thickness is also 22. Enter. Like it slats, and that one should be there inside the origin. Yeah. Now rotation. Fisher is to cut. To the whole surface. Great. Okay. Now all is complete, and then the final thing object is to trim to cut the objects here. So 35. So we need to draw that sketch on that planes. Control 8 using corner angle here. I click select. The put dimension is 35. 35, enter. Okay, I click select. Okay, make a little center line to make the center out that one. Okay, that line should be vertical. Okay, to fill that line is 5. Enter. Now complete the sketch and then slowly rotate Extrude Cut from that sketch to the tail of the end of the back object. Okay. Now complete your part here. Okay. A sweep bar to change the orientation here. Sweep bars change the orientation. Okay, scroll to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, to make colors, edit appearance. Yes, select the colors you want to change. Okay, now you complete your drawing. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial videos.